Today's the day I finally lower my vehicle, my 2002 Honda Civic Si. It's been a long time coming. Now, stay tuned and see what it looks like when it's done. Oh, one thing. I haven't updated in a long ass time, so I got some different wheels this time. I got some 17s now. Should look a lot better now. I had the little 15s on there. I wanted to go extremely low with the 15s, but fuck it. So let's get into it. Going up, eh? Here we go. Some D2 coilovers. Bought them off K-Series parts. Let's look at the front coil. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice. Yes sir, let's get into it. Okay, now, finally got the coil out. It's time to measure and make the proper adjustments. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm not gonna do instructions because one, I know what I'm doing, but not enough to direct someone, instruct someone. So I'm not gonna lead someone down the wrong direction. So fucked up. About to go get a new tie rod in real quick. Rookies. As you can see, I smacked it from the bottom and mushroomed it. So I fucked up, but I'm gonna go get this tie rod in now from Advance. Tomorrow my boy, he's parting out his EP3, so I'm gonna get his inner tie rod ends with the outers, the K-tune ones. So it's all good. Learn from my mistakes, y'all. Thursday. Measure it up. Well, set preload, measure it up. Throw it in the car. And everything. Old rear versus new rear. Alrighty. Let's see how we about to measure this shit. It's gonna be a good one because I don't know how I'm gonna measure this, to be honest. Nice K-tuned arm right there. I'm gonna just make it like stock length for now. Yeah, it's like stock length right there. Oh yeah, we in. Hi.
I always worry about you folks because we went flying up the street, and I'm figuring they're going to run into your cars one of these days.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they do drive reckless.
That's the way they drive lately.
I know, they are reckless.
So be safe.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Enjoy your day.
Thank you, you too.
Thank you.
screw in the back right now. Yes sir, yes sir. Trying to get this EP3 to look nice, a little bit at least.
Whew, y'all, I'm fucking tired, bro. I am fucking beat, y'all.
Just be honest. We all know the deal.
Just be honest. Let's just be real.
All right. Side number 4, final side, fucking A. Done with the coilover install. Was a little difficult, more than what I expected, but nevertheless it's done. About to drive to the car wash right now, rinse it off a little bit, try to get it sparkling like a diamond, and I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like on the outside. So let's go.